Hello everyone, today in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can add music or audio in Kinemaster. But before I start, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, give like and leave the comment. Also you can share my video, okay? And now in this project I will add music or audio with Kinemaster. You can select the video first. After that, extract audio. Scroll down and then click extract audio in here. So after that, you can click this audio and then select replace. So you can add music or audio in here. For example, I will select this song and then select replace. And you have done add music or audio to your video, okay? Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, like and leave the comment on this video. Thank you.